Hi guys, welcome back to Taste with Twist. Today I'll show you how to make eggless wheat flour chocolate pancakes. From these pancakes we'll be making delicious chocolate tacos that are filled with vanilla cream in the center and topped with chocolate ganache. They are simply a party in your mouth. Before that, please subscribe to my channel if you like this video and ring the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. To make the chocolate pancakes, I have taken a sifter on a bowl, and to the sifter I have added half cup of wheat flour, 2 tablespoons of corn flour, 2 tablespoons of raw cocoa powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, half teaspoon of baking powder. Sift everything into the bowl. If you want to make these pancakes with all-purpose flour, simply use 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour. Mix everything well. Now I am adding 1/4 teaspoon of salt and I am mixing all the dry ingredients well. Now I am adding 3 tablespoons of refined oil. You can use melted butter too. Now I have added 1/4 cup of milk and I am mixing it gradually. I have used total of half cup of milk. Add milk little by little to make a lump free and batter that has a pouring consistency. The consistency of the batter should be like this. I am using my Uttappam pan to make the pancakes. On low flame I have heated the pan and I am pouring spoonfuls of this pancake batter into the pan. Keep the flame on low, and when you see few bubbles forming on top of these pancakes, add some oil from the corners and carefully flip the pancakes. First loosen these pancakes from the pan and then carefully flip them. Just cook them from the other side for only few seconds. 30 seconds to 1 minute is enough. Now take these pancakes into a plate. That is it. Our wheat flour chocolate pancakes are ready. But we are making tacos from these pancakes. To make the taco shell, I am placing these pancakes in between 2 glasses like this, just to make the taco shell. Let them set for 10 minutes like this. Now make the pancakes from the remaining batter too. This batter gives you roughly 10 pancakes if you are making the pancakes of the size that I am showing you. Wait for 2 minutes until the base sets. Carefully lift the pancake from the pan and flip them. This makes for a very quick and delicious breakfast. Simply serve these pancakes with some melted chocolate on top and vanilla ice cream. That is a good breakfast too. To make the vanilla cream filling, I have taken fresh cream. I have frozen all my utensils. Now cut the top of the fresh cream packet. We should be taking the thick part of the cream to make the whipping cream out of this fresh cream. Do not use the liquid part as it won't hold the shape of the whipping cream. You have to freeze all your vessels before making whipping cream out of fresh cream. Now I have taken few ice cubes into a large bowl that I have frozen overnight. I am simply preparing an ice bath. Place the cream ball on top of the ice and keep it immersed in the ice bath and keep beating for 2 to 3 minutes on a high speed. Do not overbeat the fresh cream. After 2 minutes, I am adding 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar or icing sugar. The powdered sugar should be very fine. Now I have added 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla essence and beat this again for 1 minute on a high speed. This is as simple as it can get. Our whipping cream from fresh cream is ready now. You can see the cream has formed stiff peaks. At this point, stop beating the cream. Keep this aside. Now I am melting 50 grams of dark chocolate on a double boiler. Keep this aside too. Take the set taco shells and fill in the whipping cream like I am showing you. You can use a piping bag too. I am simply using a spatula to fill the cream in the taco shell. Now simply dunk this in the melted chocolate. You can pour the ganache on top of the shell too, taco shell too, but this way I like it more. I have made 3 taco shells and I am topping them with some chopped cashew nuts. These are super delicious and a must try. Thanks for watching. Until next time, bye.